Hi, my name is Kelim Jai, TP070517, and we are from Group 14. Joining me are my teammates Ong Kai Ying, TP086065, and T Ching Ying, TP072694. And today we are excited to present our project Tapaula. Our presentation will be divided into 6 important parts to guide you through our development journey. First, we will begin with the introduction to Tapaula. Next, we will explore the generative research we conducted to better understand our users. Then, we will also walk you through our affinity analysis. After that, we will discuss the novelty of our research idea, followed by a detailed description of the project itself. Lastly, we will conclude with the technical requirements needed to bring Tapaula to life. To start, let us introduce what Tapala is all about. Tapala is a community-driven mobile application created to connect passionate home chefs with people in their neighborhood who are looking for healthy, affordable, and delicious home-cooked meal. In today's fast-paced world, many individuals don't have the time or resources to cook at home regularly. As a result, they often turn to fast foods, which can be expensive and unhealthy. On the other side, many talented home cooks are eager to share their meal and earn a side income, but they lack a platform to reach potential customers. So Tapala bridged this gap by offering a safe and trusted space for buyers to enjoy authentic homemade dishes while empowering home chefs with the tool to manage order, promote hygiene, and grow their side business. The platform also fosters a sense of community and encourages transparent, two-way communication between both user and chef. Next, let's move on to the research question, where we dive into the core issues our application is trying to address. To better understand our users and build an application that truly fits their needs, we focus our research on some key questions. First, we wanted to know, why do individuals choose to sell home-cooked meal as a side income? Secondly, what challenges do home chefs face in managing their order and delivery meal? Another critical question was, what factors influence consumer trust when purchasing homemade meal online? We also looked into how important affordability and nutritional value are to our users when selecting food delivery options. Moreover, we explore what type of information buyers look for before they placing an order with a home chef. Lastly, we consider how users prefer to communicate and receive updates about their order. This question guided the entire phases and helped shape the core features of Tapala. Moving forward, we will now explore our research method. To explore this question, we use semi-structured interview as our research method. This qualitative approach allows us to gather rich and detailed feedback from our participants. Unlike rigid survey, semi-structured interview gave us the flexibility to ask follow-up questions and explore unexpected ideas that emerged during the conversation. This method helped us to better understand the day-to-day experiences, needs, frustration, and expectation of different user roles. The insights we gained were essential in designing a user-centered application that addresses real-world problems faced by both home chef and customer. The next part of our presentation is participant details. We interviewed 3 different user groups for our research, which are buyer, home chef, and admin. First, the buyer were individuals who frequently order food online. They share valuable input on pricing, food quality, trust factors, and their expectation when ordering from home-based vendors. Next, we also spoke with 3 home chefs, people who cook and sell meals from their home. They opened up about their motivation, the obstacles they face in managing time and hygiene, and how they connect with customers. Lastly, we include insight from admins, people who manage small cafe or store. They offer perspective on order handling, inventory management, and customer service, which are very critical in ensuring smooth operation for home chef on the platform. This interview gave us a well-rounded view of all the stakeholders involved and laid a solid foundation for developing Tapaula. I will now pass the presentation to Ong Kai Ying for the next section. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ong Kai Ying, and my TP number is TP086065. I will continue with the part 3, which is affinity analysis. First level quotes. This is for the buyers and also customer. Let's looking at the first level user needs from the buyer's perspective. There are direct quotes from real users that reveal what they care about most when ordering homemade meals through the apps. I will share some key quotes and explain what they mean about. I will take for the P1, which is the customer say, I like homemade meals, but I don't know if the kitchen is clean. It means that the customer wants to be sure kitchen is clean and safe before they order. And for the P11, the customer say, I don't know if the food is still hot when it arrives. This means customer want their food to be good when it's arrived, especially if it is hot or cold enough. As a summary for the first level course for customer, people like homemade food because it feels healthy and not too expensive. They worry about cleanliness and food safety at home. They want to trust chef by seeing the ratings, review, and allergy information. Make the apps allowed to do the delivery tracking. People want more filters to find food easily and safe private meals. They want the food that cheaper and have good quality. They like discount combo meals and deals for students and families. They want flexible delivery and pickup times. This is for the home chef. Now let's look at the first level insight from the home chef side. This question helps understand what chefs are thinking and feeling while using the platform. It shows the worries, challenge, and what kind of support they need for the system. I will take for the P32. The chef say, I always worry people won't trust my food since I cook from home. Chef feel a need to build trust with buyers to get more orders. For a P50, the chef say, I would like to have a system that automatically confirm orders. They want automation to reduce manual workloads and avoid mistakes. As a summary for the first level course from the home chef, it is hard to manage many orders, especially when plans change. They need profile check, rating, and food photos so people can trust them. They worry about how clean and safe of their food looks to customer. They want a simple apps to track orders, check payments, and chat with the customer. They feel WhatsApp is messy and not good for business. They hope for an easy platform that makes them look more professional. For the admin side, we will look at the first level course from admin's point of view. This insight shows how admin want to manage the system more effectively and support both chef and buyers. Their quotes reflect a needs for better tools and control features. Let's look for the P61. The admin say, an easy to navigate dashboard would help admins monitor activity quickly. Admin want a simple interface to oversee platform operation effectively. For P70, admin say, it's required direct communication channel with both buyers and seller. Admin want a quick, direct ways to resolve user issue without delays. As a summary for the first level course for the admin, they need a simple dashboard to see order, payment, and deliveries in real time. They want safe login with rules and easy password reset. They need good chat and help tools to answer user question quickly. They want to keep profile and menus updated. They use data to learn about user and find the best times for order. They need easy steps to handle refunds, problems, and complaints. They want everything run smoothly and clearly for all users. This is a declarative statement on the user behavior. As we can see that customers like healthy, affordable homemade food. They want a clear info such as review allergic delivery tracking. They need easy apps to use. They need easy app use with filter and favorites. And also care about the price, want the deals and good promotion. For the chef, they need help managing many orders and timing. They want to show the cleanliness to build trust with customer. For the admin, they need an easy dashboard to track order and user. They want a real-time update to fix issue fast. This is a second level notes. I will share some key keywords and explain what they means about. For the buyer and also customer, I will take for the S1, which is point to the P1, P5, P22. Customers are concerned about food safety and hygiene, as they worry whether the chef maintain clean kitchens and follow proper hygiene practice. This means they need details, hygiene, and allergy information to feel secure. And for the SL3, which is point to the P2, 9, 11, 12, 21, and 27. Customer face delivery and pickup issue, including late arrive, lack of order tracking, inaccuracy pickup location, and inflexible schedule, which negatively affect their overall experience. They expect reliable, transparent delivery or pickup service to avoid frustrations. For the home chef, I will take for the SL9, which is point to the P21, 25, 42, and 54. Home chef experience difficulty managing high volumes of order, especially during the peak times, leading to stress and a risk of errors in preparations and delivery. They need tools to handle order volume smoothly and avoid overload. For the SL11, which is point to the 48, 49, 50, E1. Not all home chefs are good with using technologies and prefer apps that are simple, with minimal step and automation for tasks like order confirmation and availability updates. It means that they want an easy to use app to reduce their workloads without confusing. For the admin, I would take for the SL70, which is point to the P61, 65, 83, and 90. Admin emphasize the needs of the user-friendly and easy-to-navigate dashboard that enables quick monitoring of activities and real-time update on order, cancellations, and deliveries to ensure efficient platform manage. This means they require up to the minutes data to maintain smooth operations. And for the SL21, which is point to the P69, 70, 75, 82, and 84. Effective communication channels are essential for admins to interact directly with both buyers and sellers, handle complaints transparently and timely, and provide a centralized system for customer queries and feedback loops. It means they need fast and clear communication to keep user happy and resolve problem. This is the third level notes. I will also share some keys and quotes and explain what they means about. For the buyers and customer, I will take for the T1, which is include clear food safety and hygiene information of chef profiles and meals to build user trust. This transparency builds buyer trust before ordering. I will take TL2, implement a reliable rating and review system with photo to help customer choose trustworthy chef, and popular meals. It means social proof through genuine feedback increase buyer confidence. And for the home chef, I will take TL9, which is the order management dashboard will be included with priority indicator and real-time update to help chef track multiple orders efficiently and reduce preparation stress during peak hour. It means it allowed chef to track order clearly and avoid mistakes. And also for the TL11, design a clean, minimalistic interface with automation features such as auto confirmations, status toggles, and present scheduling to accommodate chef with low teach literacy. This reduces clicks and makes teach usage easier. And for the admin, I will take for the TL70, emphasize a user-friendly, easy to navigate dashboard with real-time update on orders, cancellations, deliveries, and transaction auditing to ensure efficient platform monitoring and management. It means it centralized control and help prevent issue. And for the TL20, stress the importance of effective communication channel for admins to engage directly with buyers and sellers, handle complaints transparency, and manage customer queries efficiently. Fast problem resolution, improve user satisfaction and platform reliability. They hope for an easy platform.
Now let us look at the novelty of research idea. The Tapala project was created to focus on connecting home chef with nearby customers through a community-driven mobile platform. The purpose of this application is to blend the personal touch of home-cooked meals with the convenience of modern food delivery service. Tapala empowers ordinary individuals to become micro-entrepreneurs, sharing culturally rich homemade meals directly with their communities. All the food in this app will be affordable and healthy to the customers. The home chef needs to upload the picture of the food and hygiene approved by related department in their profile. The app provides the order tracking function for customers to check their order status. There are few aspects will be considered in this application, which include localized community integration, that is neighborhood-based food sharing, strengthening community ties, and offering more affordable personalized meals. Trust-driven ecosystem, for example, the chef needs to provide chef verification, hygiene rating, allergy tagging, and user review address the trust and safety gap that typically stop customers from buying home-cooked food online. Multi-role functionality is the system supports diverse user roles such as home chef, buyer, and admin, which is rarely seen in typical food apps focused solely on restaurant and user. About cultural and health diversity, users can promote authentic, diverse cuisine and health-conscious alternatives that are often underrepresented in mainstream delivery platforms. Last, we will focus on empowerment through technology. The app provides intuitive way for home chefs to enter the digital economy, helping them manage orders, set availability, and grow customer base from home. Next, for the key use case, we have separated it into 3 roles. For the buyer, they can browse and filter meals according to their requirements, view chef profile to check rating, order meals, real-time order tracking, chat with chef if they want to, customize food, leave rating or review, save favorite food using bookmark function, and apply discount or rewards. For the home chef, they can create and manage menu, update their profile, order management dashboard that help them to manage orders, in-app communication that help them to chat with customers, sales and earning tracker to check their revenue, feedback rating system for them to view and reply to customers' comments, and promotion and loyalty rewards that they can undergo to attract more customers. For the admin, they can manage the user both buyer and home chef accounts. They are also responsible to verify the chef and hygiene certificate. They can also view all orders and dispute resolutions. They also have the access to revenue dashboard for business analysis. Admin is also able to check the chef performance and will have platform for performance analysis. The admin also responsible to send a receipt to the buyers with in-app notification. Last, admin ensure the platform remains safe and fair by monitoring all user-generated content. Next, let us look at the design of the app. They are the logo of Tapaula, and these three are the three theme color will be used across our application. For the wireframe, we have onboarding screen and register screen, which contain get start button and require user for username and password function respectively. At the sign page, user need to key in their username and password, and there's a sign button for them to click. As the sign is successful, they can see the food browsing screen, which have a list of food shown to them, and they can use the filter or search bar function to get what they want more quickly. They have new function at the bottom bar, which are rewards, order, message, and account. If user click the message icon, they will see this chat screen that allows them to chat with others. At the profile screen, it will display the username and picture, and it will have few icon content with different functions that allow user to modify their personal information. Next, let us look at the technical requirements. It is needed for us to use Android Studio IDE, APIs, Google Map, and Firebase for the development of this Tapaula application. Android Studio will be used as the main platform to build our mobile application developed using Flutter. We will use the Google Map API to help for showing important location on the map inside the app, which include the home chef locations where customer can pick up their orders and any nearby food option. While the Firebase will be used as the backend of Tapaula, it supports many useful features like user login, real-time database for sorting orders and menus, cloud storage for food image, and push notification to inform user about update or order status. That's all from our work. Thank you.